The construction progress of the GDT office building and business complex, also known as the GDT Tower, is advancing steadily. Rising 154.85 meters high with 29 floors above ground, the project carries an estimated construction cost of around $60 million, excluding land costs. Work officially began in early 2022 and is scheduled for completion by late 2024. Located in Kien Kliang Village, Troy Changva District, Phnom Penh, this building is a state-owned facility under the Ministry of Economy and Finance. The development covers a total site area of 25,579 square meters, with a gross floor area of approximately 156,634 square meters. It includes a 4-story retail podium, 2 underground levels, and extensive parking space for 926 cars and 328 motorcycles. Designed as a modern, multifunctional complex, the GDT Tower will serve not only as the central administrative hub for the General Department of Taxation, but also as a landmark business destination. With its state-of-the-art facilities, retail spaces, food courts, fitness centers, and sky bar, the tower symbolizes Cambodia's modernization and the growing strength of its public institutions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.